On this third weekend of the COVID-19 lockdown, I will show you how to build a tasty breakfast, which is a treat for your gut microbiome and for your health. Let's start with 2 tablespoons of steel-cut oats and bran flakes, unsweetened. Add about a tablespoon of chia seeds, a tablespoon of unsalted sunflower seeds, a tablespoon of raw shelled hemp seeds, a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, a tablespoon of flax seeds, a small bowl of organic blueberries, a 1/4 cup of unfiltered apple juice, and 1/2 cup of almond milk. Enjoy this breakfast, which will give your microbes and your gut the greatest boost for the day.